यूरोप के खूबसूरत मुल्क जर्मनी में 16 फेडरल स्टेट्स हैं। उनमें से एक स्टेट है हैम्बर्ग। इस शहर का ऑफिशियल नाम है फ्री एंड हैंसेटिक सिटी ऑफ हैम्बर्ग। ऑफिशियल नाम मिडिवल टाइम्स में बनने वाली हैंसेटिक लीग और फ्री इंपीरियल सिटी ऑफ होली एम्पायर से लिया गया है। इस सिटी के साथ है रिवर एल्ब, जिसकी वजह से ये पोर्ट और ट्रेडिंग के काम में सबसे आगे है। हैम्बर्ग यूरोप का तीसरा बड़ा पोर्ट भी है। ये है जर्मनी का दूसरा बड़ा शहर हैम्बर्ग। तो इन्होंने मुझे तकरीबन 26 यूरो का 3 दिन का एक कार्ड दिया है। 2 दिन का भी था, 1 दिन का भी था।
Stolpersteine, meaning tripping or stepping stones.
Platform 8, now arriving ICE 1682 to Hamburg Altona via Hamburg main station. Departure 11:59. Caution, the train is arriving.
ये है जर्मनी का दूसरा बड़ा शहर हैम्बर्ग। पहला बड़ा शहर बर्लिन है और दूसरा बड़ा शहर ये है। और अब चलते हैं सबसे पहले टूरिस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर। हैम्बर्ग का मेन स्टेशन, सामने फिलिप्स का बोर्ड है और बहुत आसान यहाँ पर टूरिस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर है। उसको ढूंढने के लिए जैसे ही मैं ऊपर आया तो मुझे एरो मिला के आप राइट साइड पे चले जाएं। अच्छा बड़ा स्टेशन है। और जैसे कि ये लिखा हुआ है डीवी लाउंज और टूरिस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर। टूरिस्टीन इंफॉर्मेशन। ये है जी टूरिस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन, बहुत आसान, बहुत आराम से मिल गया। ये है टूरिस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर और डीबी लाउंज ऊपर बना हुआ है। और आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर भी टूरिस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर के ऊपर प्लेटफॉर्म्स की डिटेल आ रही है। तो इन्होंने मुझे तकरीबन 26 यूरो का 3 दिन का एक कार्ड दिया है। 2 दिन का भी था, 1 दिन का भी था। इस कार्ड पे आप अनलिमिटेड ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं सारी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पे, ट्रेन पे, बस पे, और शहर में जहाँ भी जो भी जोन्स हैं वहाँ जा सकते हैं। और उसके अलावा ये फ्री गाइडेड टिप बेस्ड टूर जो होते हैं उनका पूछा तो पता चला कि आप टाउन हॉल चले जाएं और 2 बजे आपका पहला टूर वहाँ स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। तो टाउन हॉल चलते हैं और फ्री टिप बेस्ड टूर देख लेते हैं। बर्लिन के मुकाबले में तो ये छोटा स्टेशन है, लेकिन काफ़ी साफ़ है, फ्रैंकफर्ट की तरह ही है। और आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ इन्होंने हर चीज़ में सफाई मेंटेन रखी हुई है और हर जगह टूरिस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर है। ये जर्मनी का दूसरा बड़ा शहर है हैम्बर्ग। हानोवर से ये तकरीबन 1.5 घंटा लगता है हानोवर से ट्रेन पे आने पे। तो अक्सर ये हानोवर के करीब तरीन बड़ा सिटी है, बर्लिन से ज़्यादा करीब है ये। और जैसे अब हम बाहर निकलेंगे, पहले हमने ढूंढना है टाउन हॉल। हर सिटी में एक टाउन हॉल होता है और मैं टाउन हॉल की जर्मन प्रोनाउंसिएशन बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है। अब हम टाउन हॉल की तरफ चलते हैं। जी ये है हाउप्टबाhnhof, ये मेन स्टेशन है और मेन स्टेशन के सामने यहाँ से हम टाउन हॉल जा रहे हैं। यहाँ आते ही मुझे महसूस हुआ कि थोड़ी ठंड ज़्यादा है क्योंकि ये हार्बर भी है, शायद इस वजह से भी यहाँ पर हवा भी तेज़ है।
Okay, so everybody's here for the English tour. For the English tour, we're going to begin if you want to follow me. So, first and foremost, everyone, good afternoon, and welcome on your Sandeman's new Hamburg walking tour. As some of you might have seen, my name is Evan, and I'm going to be your tour guide for today. And just so that you're not wondering for the entire tour, no, I'm unfortunately not a native Hamburger. I'm sadly not even a real German. I have come all the way from the Emerald Isle of Ireland, the land of the saints and the scholars. Now people, I'm neither a saint nor a scholar, I'm just your tour guide for today. I've been tour guiding professionally here for about the last 3.5 years. That means I've toured about 17,000 people through the city. It's just the further away you are, the louder I have to be and the more people I disturb. So we like to give tourism a bit of a better reputation. So staying nice and close for today. Yeah, and we wanted to take a little look at this building right here. And this is Hamburg's very famous Rathaus. However, we find the Parliament of Hamburg still meet today. And they're pretty important because politically, Germany's very different to a lot of our European neighbours. A lot of our European neighbours tend to place all their governance into their capitals and predominantly rule from a centralised system, whereas we have a political and governmental system which is actually a lot closer to that of the United States of America. We have a federal state, and we are one of the important states, people. We are one of the 3 city-states. Then we have 3 high and it's going to set the all this tightly happening. And you'll see on either side of the doorway at the back that we have these massive elephants, not something we see in German cities anymore. And if you look here in the front, we have this gentleman standing in front of us, and this is one of the men of the Herero tribe, native to modern-day Namibia. The thing is, though, he was actually originally placed here just like everything else. He was another piece of decoration on the building, but in 1904 he takes on a whole new meaning, and that's because in 1904 the Herero and the Nama people massacre 143 of the German settlers. So this is a cute, fluffy little
dog,
and not just any dog. It is the cutest fluffy haired, curly haired little thing. Poodle, exactly. Poodle. Not exactly in strength, power and stability, but you know what you're all looking at? a love story. You see, the man who placed this here and built the whole building was Karl Ferdinand Leis, a very famous shipbuilder, and still one of the biggest, the Leis Reederei is still one of the biggest shipbuilding companies in all of Hamburg. These are what's known as Stolpersteine, meaning tripping or stepping stones. And what are they? They're really small memorials, each of them to one individual, and they represent those who were persecuted underneath the Nazi regime. And so we're not just talking about the Jewish community. Of course, there are many Jewish people included in this, but also many other different social, ethnic, political, religious, and national groups persecuted underneath the Nazi regime. And I'm going to read one aloud just so that you kind of get a bit of a feel for what's written on them. So this one here in front, we have the name Julius Adam, born 1862, deported in 1942 to Theresienstadt, that's in modern-day Czech Republic, at that time occupied territory, murdered on the 25th of the 10th, 1942. And one thing you might notice is that these stones are very different. Like, even if you can't read them, because I know they are written in German, you'll notice like some are filled with writing. Some don't really have much at all. Some have exact dates of death. Some don't even have a year of death. And that's because they are individual. We obviously only have the information we have to hand, and that's all we can include. So sometimes you'll get stones where literally just a name is written and no more. And these stones, they aren't just here, they're actually spread throughout the whole city. And they're spread throughout all of Germany, in fact, except for the city of Munich. And they're also found in another 17 European countries, this year to be joined by Lithuania and the Ukraine. And this means that so many of these stones have been placed over such a massive geographical area that this has now become the world's largest decentralized monument. And this monument is growing each and every day. For example, here in Hamburg alone, we add around 500 new stones each and every year. So, this church, St. Nicholas's Church, and the first thing you'll notice about the church is that most of it is
burnt,
gone, destroyed, missing, bombed, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's no longer here. And just to clarify, because some guests sometimes get confused, we're not standing in front of the church, we're standing inside the church.
तो फिर मैं इधर आ गया एंड आई गॉट booking.com से एक जो मुझे होटल मिला है. आई डोंट नो वेयर इट इज़. I'll have to Google it up and then go there.
You know the district also, like it's a very easy city to navigate.
अच्छा.
Like public transportation works in pretty much every direction. One ticket for everything. It's pretty.
I got the Hanover pass. Yeah. No, sorry, the Hamburg pass.
Right.
इसकी ये framing जो है ना इतना wide angle नहीं है.
And how much storage does it have?
It has SD card, 128 and 64 GBs.
Okay.
Though,
Plenty enough.
it's a good cam. And then it moves like all around.
When you're walking with it, it doesn't really create any.
It has a gimbal as well.
Okay, huh.
Yeah, and so
That's important.
हाँ, ये इसके साथ ही वो GoPro Hero भी आया था, GoPro Hero 7. लेकिन उसके साथ फिर गैजेट्स बहुत लेने पड़ते हैं. Attachments comes in my pocket.
Right.
So feasible, very easy. And everyone asks me about this. मैं हाइडेलबर्ग गया हुआ था, बहुत अमेरिकन्स के साथ ही मैं फिर रहा था इंग्लिश टूर में. सब मुझे यही पूछ रहे थे ये क्या है.
I've never seen anything. Never seen that before.
industrialized shipping, well, they're all just way too small. The big ships can't come to Hamburg, and to stay competitive on the world market, we decide we're going to move into deeper waters. We're going to move into the Elbe, and when I say this is the most modern our city, and why is that? Well, it's Europe's biggest rejuvenation project. This used to be an industrial wasteland. City of the future. And why do we mean by that? Well, look, you have all the modern architecture for one. Not only that, though, we have been zoning a lot of our city for about the last 150 years. We then figured out it doesn't work that well because people have to live super far away from where they work and where they socialize in the city ends up being more spread out. So we're trying to make this a mixed-use area. You can have apartments here, you have offices here, you have places to go and eat and socialize in parks. So you can have like a whole life just by staying in this one part of town.